What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole. For all of my new viewers, hey girl, hey boy, hey, how y'all doing? Welcome back. I am so excited that you guys pressed the button to watch me on this lovely Wednesday. Today, I did a little poll on my community tab on YouTube, and you guys wanted to see the BoxyPremium box. Now, this was supposed to be a try-on video. However, when I took a little peek-see to see what we could do, what was in this little box, we couldn't do no try-on, not no good one at that. So we're gonna hope that the base box is a better try-on box for our videos. So guys, if you wanna see our first BoxyCharm Premium unboxing for the year of 2020, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you feeling the premium box or not. Okay, guys, welcome. What's up? How y'all doing? What y'all doing? How y'all been? It seems like forever, guys, since I've done a video, and I have missed y'all. I apologize about Monday. I just had like a weird weekend, and I just wasn't feeling up to it, so I took a little break on Monday. But boo, we back and in full effect today with BoxyPremium. However, before we get on into this box, I'ma go on and drink me a little bit of this Moscato that I already started sipping on. So y'all need a minute to get y'all drink. I know it's 8 o'clock in the morning, but it ain't 8 o'clock right now. I'm filming this the night before. So I'm gonna have a drink break and a dance break. Hey, drink break. Y'all get y'all drinks, get y'all coffee, y'all water, y'all soda. You know it is early when I post, so y'all don't drink no alcohol. Let's save it for noon, okay? Take a sip with your girl. So guys, we're gonna get into the specs of this box. We're gonna unbox it, rate it. Y'all know what we're gonna do. So without further ado, let's get on into these specs, boo. Oh, before I go into the specs, I'm not gonna do my 5 first commenters this morning because I accidentally deleted the emails. So I don't really know who my first 5, I don't really remember, I'm gonna say that, who my first 5 commenters were. So I want to send a big shout out to all of the bomb ass subscriber squad. What up, y'all? What's up? Shout y'all guys out. I'm gonna put y'all name across this screen because I love y'all so much. I do. So guys, let's get on into the specs, boo. A drink break and a dance break? Not yet? Okay, we'll wait. For you guys that do not know, BoxyPremium is a new box for BoxyCharm. It's $35 per month plus free shipping. You get 6 to 7 full-size beauty products, and you get to choose an item each month. They just did choice for February's box on January 13th, so I hope you guys picked what you wanted for your base box. And for the premium box, the choice will be on January 16th. I don't know if that's, I think that's Thursday. So remember that, guys. Put that down, write that down somewhere, but I will remind y'all. They do let you choose one product each month. If you guys want to subscribe, I will put my link down below. Go on and click it, subscribe if you want to. If not, just watch me unbox, boo, because I'm funny and I'm good. Okay, y'all. Let's get on into the unboxing. It comes like this, and there's a big old box like that. Ooh. So we got a blue inside, and it says BoxyCharm Premium. Y'all do know BoxyCharm comes with a card every month. And one thing that I noticed about the premium box, so before I get into this unboxing, y'all, I have to say this. I was looking at some other unboxings because the box took a little while to get to me. The shipping with this box is just like unreal. I really am so over FedEx. I really am. But I was looking at some people that get PR with BoxyCharm and just regular YouTubers that pay each month. And I don't know, y'all. I'm all for PR, you know, promoting the brand, and you give them good products so that people will subscribe. But at some point, don't you think you need to give like your hardworking, money-earning people the same quality? Like, I didn't see too many regular YouTubers with that Too Faced highlighter or the Natasha Denona stuff. Like, I didn't. So I think BoxyCharm should reevaluate that and not like give, you know, these awesome boxes to their PR people, and then we get kind of left with all these weird ass variations. Like, it's so strange how many variations they have. Like, it's so weird. All of the good products that they, you know, put on Instagram, I didn't really see too many regular people get them, you know. So guys, as I was saying, it does come with the card, and this month's theme is breaking the ice, and I have variation number 33 down there. So up first, I have from Tula. This is some skincare, and it's called Keep It Clear Acne Foam Cleanser. It has probiotics and superfoods in it, and it is huge. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And I'm sorry if it's a glare and you can't see, but you get 6.3 fluid ounces of product in here. The good thing about this is that it is paraben-free, mineral oil-free, formaldehyde-free. So I don't really suffer with acne too much. However, my son does. You know, he's that tender age of 19, and you know how them hormones get, boo. So he breaks out from time to time. So I will be giving this to him. I don't know. I don't remember if BoxyCharm asks you about acne or not. I don't really remember, but this thing is massive. So I'm not mad at that. I love the color. It's a foam cleanser. I'm not going to squirt it out because, like I said, I'm going to give it to him. I will keep you guys posted on this product and if it works for him or not. Just read a little bit from the back of it. It does have salicylic acid in it, guys, just so that you know. So it says this foaming cleanser doesn't just fight acne, it also prevents breakouts and unclogs your pores while washing off makeup, excess oil, and debris. And you just apply 1 to 2 pumps, massage onto the skin, and rinse with warm water. Use daily in the morning and at night. And it's, like I said, probiotics and superfoods. And let's see how much this baby retails for. And this is the Tula Skincare Keep It Clear Acne Foam Cleanser, and this retails for $34, guys. And don't mind my nails, I'm getting them done on Thursday. So up next, we have another skincare product, and this is from Bliss. It's called Pore Patrol, like Paw Patrol, but it's Pore Patrol, and this is a deep detox 4-clay souffle mask, and this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. It's from Bliss. It says it's cruelty free, paraben free, SLS and SLES free. I don't know what all that means. Go deep. This silky souffle mask with powerful clay, detoxes, controls oil, minimizes the look of pores without that drying, tight feeling. It does have glycolic acid in it, and it gently exfoliates to make sure your pores don't get clogged later. It's hydrating and cooling. It's the ultimate way to refresh and smooth your skin. This is what the bottle looks like. It's like a nice little, what you call that? I don't know. That kind of little container with a pump. Y'all see that pump? And in this, you get 57 milliliters of products. So let's see how much this baby retails for. And this is the Bliss Pore Patrol Mask Deep Detox 4-Clay Souffle Mask. Jeez. And it retails for $18. Up next, guys, we have from BDB. Let me look on my card for this one. So this is from, Billion Dollar Brows, and this is the best brow kit ever, supposedly. I have seen this at TJ Maxx, and I think the price was like $6.99 or $7.99 at TJ Maxx for this. So I'm not really excited about getting this because you can get it at TJ Maxx, like, I don't know. So anyway, inside of this, it comes with a universal brow pencil, a brow duo pencil, a smudge brush, and a clear brow gel, which is a nice little kit. This is what the box looks like, guys. I'm sure you guys have seen this. This is how the brows look on the back. And this is a list of all of the things that you get in the box. I'm not gonna open and swatch it because I'm gonna put this in a giveaway. So these are all of the products. I did get this pencil before, I think in a BoxyCharm, and I didn't really like it. I don't really like the point on this because after a while it just gets kind of rounded and it doesn't really work good for my brows. The brush seems like a nice brush, and this is a concealer and highlighter pen here. We got the brow gel here, which is a clear brow gel. So let's see what they're saying this retails for, guys. And this is the $1 Billion Brows Best Sellers Kit, and it retails for $42. Okay. Up next, guys, is the product that I am most excited for, and it's from Versali, and I did use their primer that comes in the green bottle. I can't remember what it's called, but it blurs out your pores, and oh my God, it works so good. Oh, update. I'm getting the Trend Mood box. I am so excited because they have a Versali product in there, and I think it's like the powder primer. Ooh! Girl, I can't wait to get that box. I was so excited when I was able to get it. So y'all, it already has shipped. I ordered it yesterday, I think. It has shipped already, so we will have an unboxing of Trend Mood box really soon, volume 2. Okay, so back to this product. It's a Versali product, and this is the Liquid Glass. It's a radiance serum with hyaluronic acid, and I think it also is a primer. So I'm very excited to get this product, guys. I really am. Ooh, the bottle is so expensive, looking so... Ooh, girl, yes, it's so pretty, so nice. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Can y'all get... Ooh, girl, I think I might need to put the Moscato down. Jeez. But this bottle is gorgeous, guys. Get into that. That is beautiful. And y'all know I gotta open it because I need to smell it. Ooh, what does it smell like? I don't want to say coconut. I don't know. Ooh, it smells good, though. I'll put a little bit on the back of my hand, and it's like, okay, so have y'all ever seen that movie Death Becomes Her with Goldie Hawn and Meryl Streep, I think her name is? Yes. And they drop the little potion on her hand and they make them forever young. This is what it reminds me of, this right here. Oh, it's so, oh, it smells so good, and it feels really nice on the skin. I mean, it dries down really quick, and I can see it's blurring out a little bit on my hand. So, boo, y'all know we're going to be testing this out. I'm very excited whenever I see Versali because y'all know this product is very high. And the one I got was a little mini. So let's see how much this retails for, guys. And this is the Versali Liquid Glass Radiance Serum, and it retails for $54. Ooh, so I was happy when I got this. When I actually saw this was coming in a box, I was very excited for this product, guys. This made the rating go up just a tad bit. I'm sorry if y'all hear that big old boat blowing its horn, but it's at night, like I told you. I'm filming this the night before, and it's very foggy outside, so I apologize, guys. Up next, boo. Up next, we got Natasha herself, the Denona. The Denona. So up next, we have Natasha Denona's Blackest Black eyeshadow. It's a matte shadow. It's black. Y'all know I love a black shadow. Y'all know I'm a goth at heart, and this is right up my alley. Now, this made me very excited when I saw it in the box because I think I'm going to wear this for Friday's video. I'm definitely going to wear it, and if I do wear it, I'm going to film myself, and I'll insert a clip inside of the video of me applying this shadow for you guys. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. I'm so excited to receive this, guys. I swear I am. Ooh, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my God, it's so beautiful, and the color is, oh, it got a mirror. Hey, girl. And this is the color. Look at that. I mean, just look at all of that. It's like a black hole. Look at that. Look at that. Do y'all like that or not? Isn't it gorgeous? Let's swatch it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, y'all see that? Do y'all see that? It just feels like so silky. God. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Y'all see that? Let's see how much this retails for. And this, my friends, is the Natasha Denona Blackest Black eyeshadow. And this baby retails for $29. And it says here, it's highly pigmented. It provides a soft, velvety texture, full coverage and blends seamlessly onto the lids for an ideal smoky eye look. And ooh, baby, Friday we gonna be dressed in all black like the omen. I think I need a drink break and a dance break. And last but not least, guys, this was the item that I did choose. This is the Too Faced Palm Springs Dream Cocktail Party eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. It is gorgeous. I love it, love it, love it. And the packaging is, oh my God, it's so pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And this is the back, gorgeous. And let's open her up. Oh, wait, does it have a little plastic thing on it? No, okay. And this, guys, is the palette. Look at this. Oh God, it is so freaking pretty. Look, this shade right here, ooh, it is gorgeous. So I'm not gonna swatch it because I'm gonna put this in an Instagram giveaway. I'll have the details down below on what you have to do to win this palette on Instagram. So make sure you look down in the description because I'm gonna put this baby in an Instagram giveaway, okay? That sounds like a good idea to me. What y'all think? Absolutely. This is the Too Faced Cosmetics Palm Springs Dreams Cocktail Party eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $45. Okay, so that was my final product in the box. We're gonna do a quick recap. I'm gonna do final thoughts. We're gonna rate the box. We're gonna be done. So we received from Bliss this Pore Patrol Detox 4 Clay Souffle Mask. Jeez. We also received from Tula this Keep It Clear Acne Foam Cleanser. I received from Versali this Liquid Glass Radiance Hyaluronic Primer and this thing here. We received from Natasha Denona the Blackest Black Matte Eyeshadow. I also received from $1 Billion Brows the Best Brow Kit Ever. And last but not least, from Too Faced, this palette here. And that's 2 for 6 products for this month. So my final thoughts on this month's box was, I'm on the fence about it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I mean, what really made the box for me was the Versali serum here, this liquid glass serum, and a Natasha Denona palette, also the Too Faced palette. These 3 products really made the box for me. So I think that my premium box, which I do pay for each month, guys, I think that it was a pretty decent box for me. I actually kind of like most of the products in the box, and I'm telling you, these 2 products alone made the box for me. It really did, guys. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about the premium box, what you thought of my box, what you got in your box. Let me know if you're gonna cancel or keep it. Depending on what you get, the premium is worth it, and for the most part, I'm seeing that a lot of people saying it's not worth it. It's just best to keep the base box and the luxe box. I'm kind of thinking that BoxyCharm could have done without the premium box and gave us some of these products in the base box. I mean, you know, we could have just left well enough alone and just kept the BoxyCharm and the BoxyLuxe because everybody seemed to like it a little bit more. I could be wrong. Y'all, please let me know what y'all think. But overall, I did like my box. And if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn fire! To 5 being this box is thebomb.com. You know what I'm saying, boo? I'm going to give BoxyCharm for this month for my box a solid 3.5. Maybe even I'm going to give it a 3.5. I'm going to say a 3.5 to a 4, actually. The only thing that I really don't like in this box is this brow kit here. I think BoxyCharm for me this month was an even, you know, 50-50 of makeup and skincare, which I do like. So that's TonyaNicole's rating and her thoughts on the premium box for this month. Again, guys, let me know your thoughts on this month's box and let me know your rating. Don't forget that I do post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. I do shout out my first 5 commenters of each video. If you have not followed me on Instagram yet, you need to do so because all of the instructions on how to get this palette and this brow kit will be in the description below. If you're not subscribed to TonyaNicole's bomb-ass subscriber crew, boo, you sleep, you need to wake up and go and hit that button and subscribe to your girl, because I'm telling you, it's real lit over here. So that is all that I have for today, guys. Until next time and next video, I hope you all have a wonderful Wednesday. I will see you all in the comments and on Friday. I love you all so much. Bye. A drink break and a dance break. Ooh, I need to stop this because, babe, I'm dropping shit. Bye, y'all.